I've rescued 3 baby birds recently. While trying to raise them up where they can fly again, I had a really good time with them. The very first problem that I come across is how to feed them and what to feed them. I've done some research and realized that this kind of bird would rely on their mother to feed them the half-digested worms that need some high protein and almost pureed food where they can easily swallow, with high moisture content so they don't need to drink water, similar to what they would receive from the mother bird. So I have to sacrifice some of my cat's favorite salmon and really blend it to extra fine and made the baby feeder using a simple plastic bag made for feeding the baby birds with a mix of grinded extra fine pureed cat food. So he don't really like it because I took all of his food. I'm sorry, Peanut. It's only gonna be a few days.
哎呦喂，这么激动。哦，天呐！挤太多了。要吃，吃完就会拉屎。还有人要吗 ？Anyone? Anyone else?
He's so curious and envy and of why his own food is being fed into someone else. It's amazing how fast they grow. In less than a week, their feathers are matured and they're ready to fly. It is time to say goodbye. I'm not too sad when they leave, and I really enjoy the time that I could take care of a few lives.